For today's video, we're going to build a kitchen hanging cabinet using common tools like circular saw and drill. In this project, I am going to use some leftover woods from my previous projects. I will start to cut a 2 pieces 31 by 51 centimeters, 2 pieces 31 by 96 centimeters, and 1 piece 18 by 96 centimeters 3/4 ply board. And I will use a 1 by 3 tubular for the guide of my circular saw. Now we are done cutting all the primary parts we need. We will now start putting them all together using glue, black screw, and cordless drill. We will now attach the 1/2 plywood as back panel, and I will use a 1-inch finishing nail to secure it in place. By the way guys, I forgot to put the division before installing the back and bottom panel first. Now I will install a liston or wooden strip to prevent the plyboard from delaminating. now measure the middle distance of each door so I can measure the door starting from the middle. By the way guys, shout out pala sa HARDWARENEXT Philippines for supplying me these new soft close hinges. Sa mga naghahanap ng hardware supplier, you can contact HARDWARENEXT Philippines, links on my description below. By the way, I am using C1 overlock concealed hinges on both ends. And I will use C2 half overlock concealed hinges on the middle doors. And I choose to use a stainless metal handle knob so it will look good with the design. Now, I will use an epoxy primer to harden and seal the plyboard and to avoid moisture. After sanding it with 180 grit sandpaper, we will now paint it with quick drying enamel white. I use 1 1/2 black screw and tocks to hang the cabinet. Sorry, can't show you how I did it because my memory card got corrupted. Shout out to Sir Rodolito De Leon for sending me this piece. Thank you!